You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. My name is Paul. I'm the host of the show. Just want to say welcome to our channel. We got a new episode for you guys today. Today we got the Nike Zoom LeBron 3 2019 Quick Strike version. And if you've been subscribed to the channel or if you've seen some of our recent episodes, you might be thinking, hey, those look kind of familiar. So I'm going to let you know why in just a moment. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't be disappointed. Give us a comment, drop a like, and yeah, man, let's get into it. Shoot Your Shot TV, Zoom LeBron 3. Hey. Previously on Shoot Your Shot TV, me and my good friend Miguel reviewed the Nike Zoom LeBron 3 from 2005, my personal pair out of my collection. We read that the Zoom LeBron 3 would be retroing in 2019. We just didn't know when, and we wanted to give you guys an up-close look and just kind of put it in a retrospect, the shoe that came out 14 years ago. Finally, the Zoom LeBron 3 retroed and it dropped on the sneakers app. C-Rock was able to pick these up with no hesitation, no hassle. They arrived, we have them ready, in hand, ready to review for you guys right now and kind of just compare them to the 2005 version. Before we do that though, if you'd like to check out our previous video on the Zoom LeBron 3 from 2005, you can click that video link right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes. So here they are, the Nike Zoom LeBron 3 2019 version, and here's my 2005 version. Dusty, old, oxidized. But just right off the bat, doing a side-by-side comparison, everything looks the same. I mean, I feel like Nike just did a one-to-one. They got it right, they didn't cut any corners. They stayed true to the original model. I don't see any major differences up close. The only thing that I'm kind of noticing is that the piping for the lacing system is more of a matte finish on the 2019 version compared to the 2005 version. It's more of a glossy leather finish. Here they are with this perforated leather, nice premium materials, very plush. The 2019 version feels a little bit lighter. I don't know if that's for sure, but it just feels lighter in hand. Another major difference is my 2005 version is all old and beat, and this 2019 version is fresh out the box, coke white, very clean. You have premium leather right here on this Nike swoosh. You have this nice inside, soft plush ankle support, and then you have that glossy LeBron insignia, the lion right here on the tongue, and yeah, this nice perforated leather. I love it. Just gonna get a quick smell of 2019 Zoom LeBron 3. It smells good. It smells fresh. And let's go ahead and see how they look on foot. So that was our signature on foot look, and I like these, man. They look good. They paired well with the pants I'm wearing, and I love this shoe back in 2005, and I still like it. I'm glad Nike brought these back. I don't know the significance of why they brought them back 14 years instead of 15, but I'm just glad that they brought them back. It's a very slept on, underrated LeBron model from very early on in his NBA professional career. As far as style goes, I'd give it a 5 out of 5 on the Shoot Your Shot TV rating system, just because it's a very iconic look. It looks like they could come out today and get a lot of love. I think they're just very slept on because, I don't know, basketball shoes aren't really the wave right now, but I'm always gonna have a soft spot for Nike basketball shoes. I give these a 5 out of 5 just because of the classicness, and it's definitely one of LeBron's earliest models. And they started giving him more branding. It's like the lion on the front, the L23, the LeBron on the side, and just kind of tells his story from the beginning. So definitely giving these a 5 out of 5 just as far as style. Price point, $175 plus tax. not too bad considering that when these came out, I want to say they were like $150, so not too much of a price hike up there. These are sitting in a full-size run, even though it's labeled as a quick strike. Nike didn't really promote them crazy or do any crazy like commercials for them or anything like that. If you're into the LeBron line, or if you're a fan of the LeBron 3, you can go ahead and pick you up a pair for $175 plus tax. Or if you wait a while, these potentially will go on sale. You can get them for probably a good deal, maybe like $120 down the line, maybe even like $90. So if you're patient enough, I'd wait it out. So price point, I'd probably give it a 3 out of 5. And then as far as comfort, it's a little bit on the heavier side. Like I said, I haven't been really wearing basketball shoes. Been kind of wearing Nike Spiridons or Nike Zoom Telerias, Nike Skylons. Those are a lot more lighter. This is a little bit on the heavy side. Probably if I wore it for like a week or 2 weeks straight, I'd get used to it. I'm probably gonna give it a 3 out of 5 as far as comfort. Go true to size. These are 9.5. There's a lot of room in the toe box. Not too wide, not too narrow. I really love the plush ankle lining. It's very soft on your foot. Very soft around the ankle. It's pretty cool for a basketball shoe that released 14 years ago. I could see Nike maybe doing like a fly wire, fly knit version, make it a little bit more lightweight, kind of make it more futuristic for today. Overall, what I say, 5, 3, and 3. So that's an 11 out of 15. Yeah, it's the Nike Zoom LeBron 3 in that crimson colorway. Still for Cleveland. This one's for you, Cleveland. Let us know what you guys think about the Zoom LeBron 3 in the comments below. Really looking forward to the Zoom LeBron 2. Hopefully they bring those back in their true original form as well. That's our episode for today. Just want to say thank you guys for joining us. Again, please subscribe if you haven't already. And drop a like, drop a comment. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. It's Shoot Your Shot TV. Zoom LeBron 3s. Hey.